Hello students, so let's try to solve one more problem from TIFR 2024, and this is question number A6, and this is a very simple problem, straightforward problem. So there is a disk which is balanced on two platform, and the angle between radius and vertical, and this radius is just coinciding with the point A, is pi by 3. So what we have to do, we have to calculate what will be the force exerted on A on a disk. Let us try to go for this particular problem. So we have one particular disk. So you assume this is disk, this is center, and this is your vertical, and this angle is pi by 3. And so here you have one particular platform, and exactly the another platform is coinciding here. This point is A. And what will happen? This is weight mg. So hence this disk is going to rest on this particular two platform. That means there must be some force which will be exactly equal to mg into this direction. So this is your force F. So now from where you are getting this particular force? This is very interesting. So this force is due to the normal force of A as well as normal force of B. So what is A on particular acting on this is N, and B is also acting on this. So this will be N. Why I am taking the same N? Because both are symmetric, so there is not any problem. So what is this particular F? This F is nothing but 2N cos pi by 6. So what will happen? This 2N cos pi by 6 is going to balance the weight mg. Otherwise, it have to be fall down. Okay, so this is very interesting. So what will happen? Sorry, pi by 3 actually, not pi by 6. This is your pi by 3. Pi by 3. So what will happen? 2n cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 is equal to mg. So this value of n is exactly equal to weight. This is very interesting. So this value of n is exactly equal to weight, and this is the exact force that A is acting on a disk particular. So this n is equal to mg. So it's a wonderful problem. This is very conceptual, very conceptual. So you have to understand what is the purpose of this type of problem and how you can resolve the forces and what should be the direction you are taking for x-axis, y-axis. This is very important. So students, try to solve this type of problem. In the TIFR, this type of question is always coming into exam. Thank you.